Hypno Mouse has kind of been retired now that I have trackball mouse though. Like, there's nothing very hypnotic about that. See? You just, I don't know. It's not even like it loops particularly well. It just, I mean, I went from not being able to play for more than like an hour to being able to do 10-hour sessions because of the trackball, so I just have to remember to clean it. Because apparently I am nasty as fuck and my mouse gets really grubby. It reminds me of the old, like on the Amiga, how we'd have to like one needs a clean, but the design of it's kind of neat. Like it's the keys are recessed. I don't know, you can't really tell. So the keyboard itself is like a flat surface and the keys are raised up from it, so it means that I can just get like a can of air and just blow it all out. geoderms in there. I remembered a big word. In the rainbow. And then the spots are going to be in yellow and white.